What's up, y'all? Today is Saturday, January 18th. I got a full day of makeup, and then I have a few things to do around the house. Me and my husband are going to move some furniture up into the kids' toy room, and we are just going to reorganize the room and just make it feel a little bit better. So I'm gonna bring y'all along with me, and I'm gonna show y'all what my day is like as a full-time makeup artist and a full-time mom. So first, I gotta get a little bit cute on. I'm not gonna do too much. I'm gonna just do a quick face. I'm gonna look in the camera and do this because this is gonna be really quick. I just want to like cover a couple dark spots and brighten my under eye, and that's it. I'm not doing too much at all because my first client comes at 11 and it's 10:58. So that tells you how quick this is. I'm gonna look in this mirror. And I just want to cover a couple dark spots. So I'm not even going to be doing too much. I'm not going to do my eyebrows. I'm not going to do nothing. I'm just going to do just enough to where I don't look crazy. I look like I put a little bit of effort. Client that's coming, I have been doing her makeup honestly for, it's been a couple years. So I know she wouldn't personally care how I look doing her makeup. And I'm not even gonna do much. Like, you see what I'm doing. Blend out the edges. I'm gonna just put a little bit on my face. Just dry up some of that foundation stick. A little bit on my forehead because my forehead be getting a little bit shiny, which this ain't gonna help much, but oh well. We'll do something for now. A little bit of blush. Just a little bit of blush. Yeah, that's literally it. What time I said I started? I said I started at 10:58. It's 11:03. 5 minutes, and I'm done.
Hold up, we gotta fix this lighting real quick. Hold on, we'll be right back.
And we're back. So we had to go get another light because this is obviously much better.
That's good. That feels different. Yeah. So this might not be our playroom no more. This is the content room now.
We should get a new house. A new house with a pool.
We got a pool. You remember the blow up one?
No.
Why not?
Because we need an easy run.
It's a blow up one. You just blow it up.
No.
You got a pool. What?
But the blow up one is so hard. Because we need a big pool. Like this big pool. We need this big pool for everybody. Just drop in.
Wow, this room is crazy.
Mom.
I'm really excited to finally get these put away nice and neat. And so the kids already have a bookshelf in their bedroom with a lot of books on there, but they also had a whole lot of books stored away in the closet, and so I'm finally able to put them away, and we have more books to select from to read now. Encourage your kids to enjoy reading books. Kids need books. So many good books. Like, they just have I'm just so excited. I love that. They have like a little library. They got their own little library. I don't ever want to hear them say they don't got no books to read. When I say go read a book, what you doing with that? Go get a book, because you have a bunch of them, huh?
I'll be back.
What do you mean? Where you going?
We're going over there.
What?
What do you want?
Come on, stay with me. Don't leave me. Babe.
I know that ain't how you punch.
Don't stand up.
Give it your best, girl. Give it.
Whoa! One more time.
I can do it, Mommy.
I thought you were sick.
I said go back a little. This is my best
Your
one.
best one. Whoa!
You want to see my best punch? Let me have the...
Whoa!
You alright?
Yeah, it's not hitting me.
Whew. All right, let it breathe, let it breathe.
I don't even know. I'm just confused. I'm just moving things from here to there. So y'all, this is the finished look. I'm not sure exactly how long it took to get it done, but this is it. We hung up some LED lights. Got some LED lights for Christmas, and we used to have like some extra ones. So finished looks, organized the toys, organized everything. Got the TV, the Xbox, got some more toys.
Yeah.
Punching bag. Yes, RIP to TikTok. I know y'all done seen it. Everybody done seen it by now. Done. It's gone. RIP TikTok. Which is actually, it's honestly a sad day. It's a sad day for a lot of people.
Yo.
Okay, hold on. Let's try that again. Pray for those who TikTok was literally really their job, and now they gotta figure out a different way to provide.
Make sure you follow us on YouTube. What happened?
But it might come back. But that's it for now. I'm gonna wrap up this video because I know it gotta be like 12 o'clock by now. It's gotta be late, and I'm honestly really kind of sleepy. I'm not really sleepy, but I feel like I need a snack and then get in the bed and a big gulp.
You don't need that soda right now.
Babe. Crush ice. Yeah, we're gonna go to the store real quick, y'all.
All right.
Say good night to y'all, and I will catch y'all on the next one.